We're in our rental car. We've got our white water river rafting boat. What do you need, Sean?
Don't forget I'm part of this fucking video. We're in the rental car. I'll explain what we're doing.
Well, then explain in Espanol.
Él que significa que tiene a river rafting.
La merengue.
8 hours.
8 hours. We're also in Italy. He didn't know that part. Swoop in, swoop in. He wants the whole thing.
My name's Damian. I'm
Where you're from?
Upstate New York. I live in Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica. And we're going to the Upper Savegre whitewater rafting. The river's kind of low, but it's going to be a great place. We're going to be hitting up some waterfalls and doing some class 2 ski rafting.
Class 2 or 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rope swinging off into the river.
Wow. We're going to rope swing in the river on a natural vine. I love that.
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
We are approximately 2,500 meters above sea level. Yay!
April 2008.
Coming down into the División River Valley.
Our first journey down to the river in Costa Rica. It took us 2.5 hours to drive here on these dirt roads, which are now mud roads. You go ahead and go. I'll follow you.
Go ahead and go.
Test it out. Sean does not want me to go across that bridge. I'm going to go do that.
Do it. Do it for Jared's kid.
I'm going to run right there.
Look at the big wrinkle on the bridge. Do you think he's gonna make it? Too low. Yeah, I mean you can just look. You can tell it's too low to put in here.
Perfect. Here we go.
Okay, we just survived a category 3 plus. Yeah, we just finished 3 plus. 3 plus. Barely. Woo! I took my friend down. Ironically, we can't really capture on video and wish that we could because we were busy paddling. It's only these lesser moments when I can get video. Uh-oh. Good job, Joshua. We'll watch you fall to your death. Very nice. Very nice. El River Savegre. Also known as Brown Bitch.
on, pose. There you go. Suck it in. I'm so glad we did this instead of the rappelling down the other waterfall. What's that?
But think of it this way, no sport has done this trip in, I mean, maybe 30 people, maybe less than 100 people have done this trip during this season.
Really? Wow. That's awesome. Thank you. I'm so glad I met you yesterday doing the jet ski, the wave runner. I'm going to throw this right at your head.
Round. Yeah. It's not of the land. How do you take a photo? It's a still, though.
Okay.